Shit. Uh-oh. Come on. Hi, welcome back to Aiden's Little Shed Shop. Today we're going to do something a little bit different to, well, you know, my normal stuff. So what we're going to be doing is installing an Oxford brute force wall anchor, floor wall anchor, wall floor anchor. But this one's going in the floor because the new shed which we installed, it's not really a shed, it's a plastic thing that's over poles. Not a shed. Then again, what's the definition of a shed?
Roof, walls, the front and the back, and a door for entry.
It's a shed. So we're going to install it in here because I already have two in the floor from the old bike shed, which actually probably was more of a bike shed as it was. I already have two in the floor from that, but unfortunately they're kind of in the wrong place, and also unfortunately one is completely concreted in and the other one can never be removed. I might have put it in with a chemical bonding, it's never coming out, not in a bloody hurry anyway. So we're going to go with the Oxford brute force. It's a really good price. I mean, you get that for just under 20 quid. There's a black version of it now as well, which is slightly cheaper, and it comes with everything you need, apart from, of course, the usual tools to install. Other than that, it comes with everything you need. This is a Sold Secure Silver, which of course they do like everything sold secure. It's good for insurance companies and it's good for you, knowing that your stuff's pretty good. Plus, of course, I've got this, the CCTV. Brilliant. Now I'm going to open this up, remove the boy. No, I'm not going to remove the boys, but I'm going to open this up and I'm going to work out where we want to put it, and then we'll remove the boy's bike. So the best thing about these is, good catch with this, comes with everything you need. Got this big chunky plate. I mean, this is a monster. It weighs a comes with instructions and a picture of everything you need to do. Comes with these two anchors. I mean, they really are monsters, and the way they work is you do this up, it pulls this in and it opens this up inside the concrete. Brilliant. And they're Allen key. It even comes with that Allen key for doing these up. Now I'm sure there's probably a specific torque to do it up to, but I have a bit and I'm just going to use the impact driver. Why not? I know what you're thinking, but if you do that, it's not going to be that secure. Well, it also comes with the ball bearing, which you quite literally smash into floor anchor once it's done. According to this, my centres are 86mm apart, and I'm going to be drilling 65mm deep with a 16mm hole. That's a big hole. Luckily, yes, I have an SDS drill, but I think I will pilot it first because that's a big ass hole to drill in one go. It'll do it. First of all, we need to set where we're going to put this so we know exactly where it's going to be. Got me Sharpie for marking concrete. I mean, you know, what else marks concrete apart from paint? This is where I roughly want it, I think, because this will be able to go through it and have some slack here, unlike my anchors that are over there. There we go. Remove the bike and then get drilling. Just checking centres, 86mm, from there to there. Roughly in the area that I want it. Yeah, I'm going to go with a small 5mm just to mark this and get it centred. Drill, hammer, drill, hammer.
Cable out of the way.
Cable always out of the way. Cable ain't going out of the way, right. Whoa. I think I kept hitting a stone. Let's just double check that. Yep, we're good. All right. Next one.
Little brush.
What is she doing?
I saw this out here.
Okay. Let me just clear you. The 16mm, which has been marked up to the depth I need. Right.
It's got an odd not calamine lotion smell.
It's eggy. It's the smell that you get from concrete. It stinks. I hate it. Alright. standing up for this one. Oh.
Need that little brush back there, don't you?
Yeah, I do. You like. You're a loon. And number 2. And there we go, that's out. Super! Ooh, don't touch that, dickhead. No, I won't. Ooh, right, now that's all cleared out of the way. Check and make sure them holes line up. This one bloody skipped. Bastard. Luckily it's still in place. What we do with these, you can undo. And poke in. Yes, that's poking in. With a bit of force. Poked in. One in. Second one. 2 in. No place in. Ask a root. Oh.
So yeah, you're going to have to pick that up.
Yeah.
You have to do it both of them though, don't you?
Yep. That's funny. There. We can take the Allen key and put it in. Oh. Well, that's gonna snap. Woo! Oh, Jesus, that's tight. Okay, that ain't there in a hurry. And that is that in the ground. This is now in, and I think I may have got some concrete dust in the nut at the bottom of that anchor. So the impact driver certainly came to the rescue, because I could not do it by hand. God no. Well, that is now in there. That is going nowhere. You can fit. Look, I've got this sopping great chain, and that goes through this quite nicely, but you can fit 2 locks through there, 3 or even 4 depending on the size of the locks. I could fit the other 2 locks that I have out here through that. Now is the point where they're going, that's not secure, because it's just Allen key and you can undo it with that, right? So now is when you have to make sure you've definitely got this in the place that you want it, and I do. You take these little ball bearings, pop it in each side.
The other one bounce out.
That's a very good point, apart from I've just popped it in and I can't get it out. And you smash it in. That is now not coming out. I don't know how much force it would take to take that out of the ground, but the chain would probably break before it did. Although I didn't lay this concrete, so I don't know how good it is. Concrete might break. Depends on how shit your pour is. That's that. Now my insurance company is going to know about that, and they may even drop my premiums or increase how much I would be able to pay for my bikes, depending on how they feel on the day. I don't know how it works. It's all mystical, magical. They chuck something in a hat, shut their eyes and just pull it out. You know what insurance companies like. Don't leave an insurance company. If you're going to do a job like this, really you need something like this. Concrete is a bitch.
Borrow
and
one?
It is hard, eh?
Borrow one or hire one?
Concrete is a bitch. It is hard. It's hard on normal drills. So if you are going to, either borrow one or hire one, or buy one. This, you wouldn't believe, I got for about 40 quid. Not second hand, brand new. It's only a cheap make, but an STS drill is an STS drill. Does its job. Does it well. Believe the amount of things I've done with this. And if you're going to get yourself a wall or floor anchor, get yourself an Oxford brute force. These things are awesome. But these are rated for scooters, motorbikes, bikes, pretty much anything that you lock to it. So secure, they're really good at what they do. So they work out how well something is. Personally, I would rate this as a gold, but that's not my choice. That's now in on the floor, and I've specifically placed it so when you walk in, you can read it. It says Oxford brute force, and it's Soul Secure Silver. I don't know if that's psychology or not, but I think that any thief that's going to look at that is going to go, ah shit, That might take a while. Anyway, that's how to install a floor anchor, and make sure you definitely have it in the right place before you smash in the security measures of never getting that out again. I mean, I don't know how I'll ever get that out. Grinder maybe? Doubt it. Drill? Probably not. I don't know. Cut out the concrete around it. That's a better idea. Thank you, Mrs. S, for helping me. It's rather ruddy cold. I'm going to get these bikes all locked up and the others back in. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, click for notifications, and we'll see you again soon.